Every time I come to an airport, which is every week almost, I see seats like this. I see these seats back here. And not every time, but most times, I have this visceral, emotional, physical feeling. It's a memory, a core memory, of course. I used to be homeless and I would sleep at the airport, very specifically San Francisco airport, and I'd watch people go by and I'd wish that I had somewhere to go. And the thought just crossed my mind that I have somewhere to go. I have somewhere to go. And listen, the past few days have been rough personally, just, lots of ups and downs as an entrepreneur, as you can probably relate. But I have somewhere to go, and I have people who care about me, and I have shoes that don't have holes in them, and they're fly. And I have a suitcase, and I have my wits about me, and I have somewhere to go today and in life. And I just wanted to share that.